Hello, my darlings. Have you ever dreamed of a place so beautiful it feels unreal? For me, that dream is Santorini. The moment you arrive, the island's energy wraps around you, a blend of ancient history and modern joy. Whether you approach by sea or air, anticipation builds as the white villages and sapphire sea come into view. The sunlight here is golden, bathing everything in a cinematic glow. Santorini isn't just a destination, it's an experience for all your senses. You feel the sun, hear the Aegean, and see colors so vivid they seem painted by the gods. Here, time slows. You notice the scent of jasmine, the warmth of a greeting, the beauty in every detail. So, come with me. Let's wander Santorini together. Not as tourists, but as dreamers. We'll explore its sights, taste its flavors, and let its magic sweep us away. Our journey begins now. Santorini is a masterpiece of blue and white, a color palette unique to the Cyclades. Imagine villages of brilliant white, gleaming under the Mediterranean sun, with domes as blue as the sky. Each blue dome feels like a treasure, a symbol of Greece itself. The sensory details are everywhere. Rough plaster walls, salty air, and bougainvillea spilling color over white facades. The architecture isn't just beautiful, it's practical, reflecting sunlight and withstanding wind and earthquakes. Every detail is a blend of artistry and ingenuity, shaped by generations. As you wander, you realize beauty here is both intentional and effortless. Santorini's blue and white is more than a look. It's a feeling. It calms the mind, lifts the spirit, and invites you to slow down. This is the Cycladic dream, alive in every corner. Now let's talk about Santorini's heart, the Caldera. This vast, sea-filled crater was born from a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago. Standing on the cliff's edge, you gaze into a natural amphitheater of deep blue water and dramatic cliffs. The villages, Oia, Fira, Imirovigli, cascade down the Caldera, every building angled for the view. The Caldera is your constant companion. You wake to it, dine beside it, and watch it shimmer by moonlight. In the center, volcanic islands rise like dark jewels. The scale is humbling. Fairies below look like toys. Here, you feel the power of nature and the passage of time. It's a place for quiet contemplation, where the world feels vast and your worries small. The Caldera is Santorini's soul, a view that changes you, and it's waiting for you to discover it. Let's explore Oia, Santorini's postcard-perfect jewel. Marble streets, chic boutiques, and blue domes create a sense of romance and elegance. Every corner offers a new view, every alley a secret terrace. Oia is polished, serene, and impossibly photogenic, perfect for a sunset glass of wine. Now to Fira, the island's lively capital. Perched on the Caldera, Fira buzzes with energy tavernas, cafes, and bars, all with stunning views. Here tradition meets nightlife, and every street pulses with excitement. Visit the Orthodox Cathedral, explore local history, or descend the famous steps to the old port. Fira is vibrant and authentic, a celebration of island life. Whether you seek romance or adventure, these villages have it all. Santorini's spirit lives in their contrasts. Every perfect holiday needs a soundtrack, and in Santorini, music floats on the breeze. As the sun sets, deep house beats drift from chic bars and infinity pools, blending seamlessly with the scenery. The music is smooth, relaxing, and effortlessly cool, never overpowering, always enhancing the moment. But wander into the villages and you'll hear the soulful sounds of traditional Greek music from family tavernas. Bouzouki strings tell stories of love and joy, inviting you to clap along or even dance. This blend of modern and traditional creates a rich, layered soundscape. Whether you crave energy or tranquility, Santorini's music sets the mood. It's the island's heartbeat. your personal soundtrack in paradise. Let the melodies become part of your Santorini story. No ritual is more sacred here than watching the sunset. In Oya, crowds gather as the sky ignites in orange, pink, and purple. A moment so beautiful, applause breaks out. But the magic continues after dark, with flavors unique to Santorini's volcanic soil. Savor sweet cherry tomatoes, creamy fava, and fresh fish drizzled with local olive oil. Don't miss the island's crisp Acertico wine, best enjoyed with a Caldera view. The real joy, though, is in wandering hidden paths. Lose the map, follow a stone staircase, and discover secret chapels, quiet courtyards, or a terrace just for you. These personal discoveries make your trip unforgettable. For adventure, take a boat to the volcano, swim in hot springs, or explore ancient aquatery, or simply relax on a black sand beach, listening to the waves. Every day brings a new, small wonder. Santorini rewards the curious. Its treasures await those who wander. Let yourself get lost in its beauty. Our journey ends, but I hope your Santorini dream is just beginning. Picture the white walls, feel the sun, and hear the music. Santorini is a feeling you carry with you. This island captures a piece of your soul, drawing you back with every memory. And you're not alone. There's a whole community of dreamers who share this love. Join us by subscribing and become part of our Santorini family. We share stories, hidden gems, and inspiration for your own adventures. Let's keep the dream alive together, supporting each other's travel dreams. Until we meet again, online or on a sunlit terrace, I wish you wonder and joy. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and never lose your sense of wonder. All my love and happy travels, my darlings.